looking for a rooftop, a patio, a really cool indoor space, the ERG group truly has something for everybody. I'm standing here in downtown Naperville at one of the first ERG restaurants, Empire, and we are on the rooftop. Natalie is here with me and she's gonna give us tips, tricks, what's people's favorite.
The best burgers in Naperville you're gonna find here. You're not gonna find anywhere else are burger cigars.
My kids' favorites, which is the fried donuts and the chips. Everything you could want. There's also a speakeasy, which we're also gonna go check out. Step along over to the speakeasy and enjoy a night out with your friends. We are now at another ERG restaurant's Bev's. One of my favorite things on the menu is the shrimp tacos. It is a cool vibe to just be sitting right in the heart of downtown Naperville. You should come check it out. We are now at Heisman's in downtown Naperville, and it is a completely different vibe than the other ERG restaurants.
Friday and Saturday night at 9 p.m. we have a DJ. We have all sports playing all throughout the day, every day, especially with March Madness coming up. This is where you're gonna want to come and watch the games. Get some loaded waffle fries.
The newest addition to the ERG group is Fiammi. It is the best Italian pizza place. From being gluten-free, dairy-free, or even vegan, you can come here. If you want to learn more, continue to follow the ERG group and the Lori Johanneson team on Instagram and social media.